Hi guys, and welcome to another one of our videos. You're here with Steph, and this week we finally got around to testing out the Everfire product in a real campfire. We've done it a few times, but we've never had ideal conditions for filming, so we finally got some good weather and we were able to go out and camp. So we wanted to show you exactly how it went when you're trying to establish a campfire. So in the last few videos where we've actually featured the Everfire and have used and tested it out, we've mentioned that it's a stone, and although it looks and feels like a stone to us, we've been informed by Jeff at Everfire that they're actually 100% natural mineral. So I just wanted to clear that up for anyone out there that wasn't sure what it was made of. You can head over to their website and it explains exactly what they are, how to use them, and lots of other really cool info in their frequently asked questions section. So we have another giveaway for you guys this week. Keep watching to find out how you can win. The prize this week is a jumbo pack from Everfire. So Jeff at Everfire has been kind enough to let us give another one away to one of our viewers. So the jumbo pack consists of 5 Everfire Firelighters. It has a container as well. It has a microfibre cloth, and with that what you can do is dampen it and use that to put out your Everfire, and also comes with tongs. So that is an awesome prize. It's even better than the one we have. Huge thanks to Jeff over at Everfire for allowing us to do some giveaways of your product. We really appreciate it, and it's a great way for us to be able to share this amazing product.
This is how we normally do it. We just get 2 smaller bits of timber. You lay your big Everfire down in between the 2, and then just chop a few little bits of kindling and sort of stack over the top of where you light the Everfire. Just have some bit bigger stuff ready for when that starts to burn through, like feed it on and build the heat up. That's the smallest timber we have, and even that we didn't really need to cut it that small, but it just helps it get it going. We did test these. That there will burn for over 10 minutes. That's more than enough. So what we normally do, leave it in there for about 5 minutes, really get the heat going through this other timber, and then just use one of these bits of timber, sort of scrape the stone out or push it through. They can just stay in the fire all night, but you're gonna get a better life out of them.
If you would like a chance to win one of these Everfire products for yourself, this one being the jumbo pack from Everfire, all you need to do is head over to the website www.everfire.net and answer this question. Name any 3 types of accelerants that have been tested with the Everfire Firelighters. Hint, look at the videos tab on the website. Comment your answer below. I will link their YouTube channel, so go subscribe to see just how much these firelighters can do. The winners will be chosen at random and will be notified by a reply to a comment below. So good luck to everyone who enters the competition. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next Friday.